So welcome one more time to another video of the Asmus Classroom. We're going pretty fast, right? We're going through the 6th lesson now. Whew! It's Moss here. I'm a producer, DJ, ukulele bass player and teacher, and I'm here to guide you through this beautiful instrument that really ukulele is. So with this lesson, we're going to complement the pattern that we learned on the previous lesson, and we're going to add a little bit of finger picking, some different types of finger picking. This is going to be fun, so let's go. Okay, so we just learned a really cool pattern with the C, G, A minor and F, right? The down, up, down, and down, up, and down. What we are going to learn now can be a little bit more complicated, but it's so much cooler. Let me tell you that. Let me show it to you a little bit. We will add just a knock on the fretboard of the instrument, okay? Don't worry, that won't hurt the instrument because you won't be knocking that hard, you know. It's just because of the percussive effect that it has. It is okay to also slap it like with your open hand if you needed to, but the best thing would be to close your hand and because it'll take the best sound of it, okay? So how are we going to do this? Do you remember that I told you that we started on the after we sang the one, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, down, up, down, okay? So what we are going to do now is we're going to play the one there as a knock. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, and 1, down, up, down, 1, down, up, and down. Okay? But we're not going just to play that simple knock. We're going to add another one to it. And that'll be after the up. So that'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, knock, down, up, knock, down, knock, down, up, knock, down. Pretty cool, right? I know, that sounds killer. I just love that pattern and it's so applicable to so many songs that it is so beautiful, you know, it's meant to be for this instrument. So what we're going to do now is we're going to loop the whole thing, but just with the C major chord, just to get this hand used to the movement, you know. And again, this time is for you to look at this hand if you need to, and then stop doing that. Then stop looking at it and start trusting it, because you'll need to be watching this hand, because after this we will be changing the chords. So here we go, just C major, watch this hand. Remember, 1, the knock, down, up, knock, down, okay? So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, knock, down, up, knock, down, 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 knock, down, up, knock, down. Let's speed it up a little bit. Down, up, knock, down, knock, 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 down, up, knock, down, knock. Okay, I know, that is super cool and you can't imagine how well that fits the song, okay? So what we're going to do now is buck up a little bit on the tempo or the speed, and we're going to do the whole progression. So this will apply again every 2 patterns, and one pattern now will be knock, down, knock, knock, down. So we repeat that twice for each chord. It'll be them like this. Knock, down, knock, knock, down. One more. Down, knock, knock, down to G. Down, knock, knock, down, knock, down, knock, knock, down to A. Down, knock, knock, down. One more. Down, knock, knock, down to F. Down, knock, knock, down, knock, down, knock, knock, down. Join me, knock, down, knock, down, knock, down, knock, down, G, down, knock, down, knock, down, knock, down, A, down, knock, down, knock, down, knock, down, down, knock, down, knock, down, down. Remember to sing along if you need it. Forget to look to your left hand. We're speeding it up a little bit. The last one. Okay, so then it's just speeding it up, you know. You have the whole pattern now to play with the song. So, what are we going to learn now? Just a little bit and kind of fast. We're going to learn finger picking. It might sound complicated, but believe me, it is not that much. So, what are we going to do? We're going to play just C chord. Okay, the C chord. And we're going to play a simple pattern with it. Let's not forget, for finger picking we have to take our pinky and grab it, the ukulele by here. And we're going to play the third, second, and first string now. Okay? So, if the rhythm that we're going to play it will be like this. It'll be 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's not forget that each of the strings have a correspondent finger. My third will be my thumb, my second will be my index, and my first will be my middle finger. So, let's try to apply this a little bit more, okay? We just look the C chord a little bit more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is the time to look to your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's apply this to all the chords. How we do that? 1, 2, 3, 4 will be just one pattern. So we just copy and paste 2 of them and then change the chord. So it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. Down to 3, 4. And 1, 2, 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 3, 4. Did you notice what I just did there? I didn't play the A minor because we are not playing the 4th string, so we're just playing these 3 strings. For the F, the same, because we're not playing this note, right? So let's just loop it a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how was that? It was pretty intense, right? We added a lot of information there, but if you could do it till this point, remember, there's no rush here. One video can take you more time than the other. There's no one really rushing you, okay? So see you in the next video for some more detailed things.